Watch YouTube videos for free, and you'll get paid $3 every 90 seconds. The website we'll be using today is SproutGigs.com, which is located right here. However, you must first sign up for a YouTube account. Later on, I'll be demonstrating how to use this platform to maximize your chances of success and earn a ton of money, plus it's 100% free. The nice thing about this approach is that you have a variety of payment choices to select from, including PayPal, Litecoin, AirTM, Skrill, and many others. Now, PayPal is my personal favorite. One of the best methods of withdrawing your earnings is through PayPal because it's cost-free. You can use it anywhere in the world and you'll get paid quickly and effortlessly. You must visit paypal.com and register for a free account before proceeding. It takes fewer than 5 minutes to complete the sign-up process, which is incredibly simple. Let's now visit SproutGigs.com. Now, SproutGigs is an online marketplace that links business owners and freelancers with simple, affordable tasks from all around the world. This is the website where we make money. You can earn money online in a variety of ways with the aid of SproutGigs. You might already have a job and still be seeking a side gig, or you must just want to use this service that pays you to watch videos to make a good living, since all you have to do is press the play button, watch the video, and collect your money. You can do it in your spare time without any technical knowledge or experience, and you're also capable of completing it. Visit SproutGigs.com and select Freelance and Earn. You will then be directed to this page where you can see the daily revenue generated by users of this website, even in every hour. The most recent tasks that have been finished, together with the workers' nicknames and total compensation, are listed here. As you can see, we have people here from several other countries. They have individuals from literally every country in the world there. People are earning hundreds or even thousands of dollars with this service. People are making just a few dollars, $100, $700, and even more than $2,000, and that is very incredible. Here you can also see the most recent withdrawals request, along with the chosen payment methods and withdrawal amounts. Therefore, all of these payment proofs are accessible for viewing on this website. These are the amounts that individuals have withdrawn, and they offer many ways to pay, as I already mentioned. Now, don't expect to become rich from this, and don't expect it to replace your day job, because you may notice that this isn't something that will make you wealthy. You can just do this on the side to increase your existing income. Now, moving on, I want you to visit here and register a free account so you can start earning money in the Freelance and Earn section. By doing so, you'll land on this page where you must provide your real name, email address, password, nickname, and country. This is the entire list of countries, as you can see. Now choose the country from which you're originally from, because they welcome visitors from all over the world. Next, select the I'm a worker, after which you must accept their terms of service and privacy policy, then click the sign up button. Once the entire sign up process is complete, you can begin earning money online. Now, do not worry, I will demonstrate how to accomplish that. You can now log in after successfully creating an account. Your brand new account will appear just like this. Here, there are a variety of jobs that are offered. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now, earnings will vary depending on your job, and you can see your prospective earnings on the right-hand side of the screen. Now, I want you to click on Apply Now and change the category to Video Marketing right here. That will display these many tasks for you to see. We can choose from thousands of jobs here that we can finish and get paid for, and all of these will compensate us for watching videos. Imagine being able to watch a YouTube video in the convenience of your own home by simply clicking on it. Now, this is something you can do whenever and anywhere and get paid for it. So how does it function? Simply click on any of the offered jobs. Since this is a new account, you'll need to provide some personal information about yourself, including your city of residence, birth date, and the answer to a security question. Then after that, we can look at how much money you'll make from just watching the video. Now, what is expected from workers is what you need to do. You must first visit youtube.com. Next, look for these keywords. You can then manually type it, but do not copy it. Now find a video with this thumbnail as the third step. Do not use any filters such as newly uploaded or similar, as you won't be compensated for doing so. Now do not miss the next step of watching the video for at least 9 minutes if you want to be paid. Now to avoid having to watch the entire video if you really don't want to, the trick is to simply mute it and leave it playing in the background. You'll be earning money online passively if you do that. Additionally, you can like the video too. I'll say it again, you may simply leave those videos on while you work, and they will still count. Now to get the best results and make the most money on Sprout Gigs, you can also perform other jobs or tasks because there won't be many jobs that pay you to watch YouTube videos. They are also very simple, so even total beginners can accomplish them. Now on the Microjob website, users can get paid to interact with their content, including liking Facebook postings. You only need to press one button to start getting paid, and that's all there is to it. By visiting a website after clicking a link, you can also earn compensation. There is no easier situation than that. Despite the low salary, I think it's well worth it given the amount of labor required. If you're looking for an online side gig, consider putting the money you make through Sprout Gigs towards something you think would appreciate over time. In addition, they provide work that only requires an email address, first and last name, and payment to sign up for various platforms. You can genuinely work at thousands of different jobs, and the fact that you can finish as many as you want is the finest part. These tasks can be easily completed in a few hours while you sit still, and the money will quickly accumulate. You've likely seen that some of the users of this website already earn thousands of dollars. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.